Hello everyone. Today we'll understand how to round off any given number to its nearest tens and hundreds. So let's start by understanding the method to round off any number to its nearest tens with the help of an example. First example, 81. Now we have to round off 81 to its nearest tens. We all know that 81 lies between 80 and 90. Now whenever we have to round off any number to its nearest tens, we have to see the digit at ones place. If this digit is less than 5, then we will move down. If this digit is 5 or more than 5, then we'll move up. Now here the digit at ones place is 1, which is less than 5. So we will move down. So after rounding off 81, we will get the number 80. Let's round off 35. Now again we will see the digit at ones place. The digit at ones place is 5. So we know that if the digit at ones place is 5 or more than 5, then we step up. So since 35 lies between 30 and 40, so after rounding off 35, we will get 40. Next question, 57. Again we will see the digit at ones place. Here the digit at ones place is 7, which is more than 5. So in this case we will step up. Since 57 lies between 50 and 60, so after rounding off 57 we will get 60. Next question, 136. Now here we have got a 3-digit number, but still we have to round it off to the nearest tens only. So again we will see the digit at ones place. Here the digit at ones place is 6, which is more than 5. So since 36 lies between 30 and 40, we will step up, and after rounding off 136, we will get 140. Now let's understand how to round off any number to its nearest hundreds. First example, 439. Now this number 439 lies between 400 and 500. Here we will take the numbers in hundreds, not in tens. So this number lies between 400 and 500. Now to round off this number, we will see the digit at tens place. Now the digit at tens place is 3, which is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, we will step down, and if it is 5 or more than 5, then we will step up. So in this case, this 3 is less than 5, so we will step down, means we will round it off to 400. Another example, 187. We have to round off this number to its nearest hundreds. So again we will check the digit at tens place. It is 8. 8 is more than 5. So we know that if the digit at tens place is 5 or more than 5, then we will step up. So since 187 lies between 100 and 200, so after stepping up, we will round off this number 187 to 200. Next example, 358. Again we have to round off this number to its nearest hundreds. So we will check the digit at tens place again. Now the digit at tens place is 5. So we will again step up. Since 358 lies between 300 and 400, so after rounding off this number and after stepping up, we will get the number 400. So the answer of 358 after rounding off to its nearest hundred will be 400. Next example, 4891. Now this is a big number, but still we have to round off this number to its nearest hundreds only. So again we will check the digit at tens place only. So the digit at tens place is 9, which is more than 5. So we will step up. So since 891 lies between 800 and 900, so after stepping up, we will get 4000 as it is 900. We will not change the position or anything in the thousands place, because here we have to round off this number to the nearest hundreds only. So we will check the digit at tens place and accordingly we will round off. So after rounding off 891, we will get 900. So 4000 will remain as it is, and then 891 will be rounded off to 900. So we will get 4900. So children, I hope this video was helpful to each one of you. Do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's meet in the next video. All the best.